Imagine this. You're finally a student. Some companies reached your college for the placements, or you want to showcase your skills online. What's the first thing your HR or client will do? They Google you, na? You don't have any web page online, or go through your boring paper resume. And if they don't find anything impressive, you might lose the opportunity. That's why a portfolio website changes everything. A portfolio website isn't just a digital resume, it's your online identity. So instead of relying on outdated paper resumes or scattered social media profiles like LinkedIn or something else, having a professional portfolio website is much better to showcase your skills, projects, and achievements all in one place where you can make your client or HR impressed. And the best part? You don't need any coding skills or expensive tools to create one. Isn't that great? In this video, I'll show you the step-by-step method on how to build a stunning portfolio website easily with free of cost within 5 minutes. I'm presenting you myself. My name is Sharif and let's get started. Now firstly go to this website, infinityfree.com, where you can see the login and register buttons. Click on register, then click on sign up with Google, choose your account. Next, click Continue. Now we have created an account. Basically, Infinity Free is a sort of free hosting platform. Now click on Create Account. The main goal of this video is about free of cost, so we are going for the $0 plan. Click on Order. Now we need to select our subdomain. What is a subdomain or a domain? Let me explain you. A domain or a subdomain is an address or link for your portfolio to access it on the internet. So I'm going my name for the domain. Now click on Check Availability to check where the domain already exists or not. If it doesn't exist, you can proceed. Or else, you need to change your domain to something else. Now change the account password by your wish, by having alphabets and numbers without any symbols. And at the email consent, select I approve. Then click on the Create Account. Wait for a minute. Here you go. Your domain has been created and hosted in the Infinity Free for free. Now click on the Manage button next to your domain. Now click on the File Manager button on the top. Here you can find your HTML or PHP file on which the complete web page is designed. Now delete everything which are present on the File Manager. Then create a new file and name it index.html and then save it. Now we have created the domain for our portfolio. But where do we get the web page code? So now visit any AI of your choice. I would prefer Gemini for the front-end development. But it's your choice. Paste the prompt that I have provided at the description. Then upload your resume. Click Send. Now copy the HTML code provided by the AI. Go to the file manager of your domain. Then open that index.html. Then paste the code and click Save and Close. Now you can access your portfolio using your domain that you have created before. By visiting your domain, you can access the portfolio that you have created by watching this video. Hope this video helped you. If so, like the video and subscribe the channel for more videos. Thank you for watching.